Thanks for staying with us here on Channel 5 News at noon. This is the front that came through and temporarily lowered the humidity a little bit yesterday, temporarily cooled us down a little bit. But it didn't cause significant changes because it was losing strength as it moved to the east, and now it's officially stalled out in the Gulf. And look at all the rain, associated with the stalled out front on the north side as well. And then there's a little broad area low pressure. We're getting increasingly concerned about flash flooding in parts of southern Ohio, northern Kentucky, around the Cincinnati area, where round after round of rain is moving over. That's what happens. These stalled out fronts, right where the stalled out front is, can produce a lot of rain. Now, we're on the drier side, but it's close enough that it's producing some rain already, and I think we'll continue to do so as the day goes on. Now, I will say the best chance of rain is where we're seeing the rain now, Cameron and Willacy County in the lower valley. The sea breeze is still in the process of setting up, and I do think a few of these showers and storms are going to drift to the west, but notice not quite as much. So if you live in Hidalgo County, Starr County, you do have a chance of rain, but better chances as you go to the coast. It's going to be partly to mostly cloudy. It may stay mostly cloudy all day for Cameron and Willacy County. Again, you're closer to where that stalled out front is, but some sun already showing up in Starr and Hidalgo County, and that will result in warmer temperatures out there. Now, by 9 o'clock this evening, the rain is over with, and I think the rest of the night is going to be quiet with just partly cloudy skies. Now, early tomorrow morning, I wouldn't rule out a few showers right along the coast, but most of us are going to be dry. Usually it sets up just to the east of Brownsville if you get an early morning shower. Now, the sea breeze will be with us in the afternoon, so I do expect some redevelopment in the lower valley in the afternoon, but not much. And notice what happens when we go a little bit later in the afternoon tomorrow. It's really looking like the sea breeze is going to be weaker tomorrow, so that means that there's a smaller chance of seeing rain in Hidalgo and Starr County. Most likely, it's probably going to stay dry there, and the rain chance may be limited to Cameron and Willacy County. Overall, just a 10% chance of rain. So the vast majority of us are going to stay dry tomorrow, and I think the activity is going to die down quicker too. By 7 o'clock, it'll just be partly cloudy. So for the rest of the day, partly to mostly cloudy skies, isolated showers and storms. Not everybody will see rain, but the rain will be around. 93, but a lot of humidity, so in some spots, it very well may feel like the low 100s or upper 90s. And not much of a breeze either, only winds around 10 miles per hour. After 9 o'clock, everyone's dry. Partly cloudy, it's looking muggy, lows around 77. Keep in mind, a normal low this time of year, low 70s. And we're not going to be anywhere close to that, and probably not on the 7-day forecast either. But look what happens with our rain chances. 20% today, 10% tomorrow, again, mainly in the afternoon, but then on Wednesday, up to a 60% chance. Now, I do want to make it clear that during the day, there's not going to be much rain. I'd put the chance during the afternoon hours Wednesday about 20%. But another front is going to be approaching, so for probably the overnight hours, we're going to see scattered showers and storms move in. And then it looks like Thursday could end up being our wetter day. So notice, we're still going 94 on Wednesday because the bulk of the rain is going to fall Wednesday night. These temperatures all above normal, but on Thursday, that looks like the change day. It looks like a cloudy day with off and on showers and storms here and there. With all the clouds and rain around, that's going to hold our temperatures in the upper 80s, but it's short-lived. Not much of a front, because as soon as the rain chances back off after Friday, it's back to those isolated shower and storms. It's right back to the low 90s, so we're still waiting on a true taste of fall. More news coming up in just a bit.